Hello, my name is Paul Core. I am the president of Arroyo Instruments, and today I wanted to show you a couple of our new products that we'll be releasing later this year. Both of them are in the high power range. One is a temperature controller, one's a laser driver. The laser driver is going to be our 4400. The 4400 is going to be capable of currents reaching up to 100 amps and also available with higher compliances, so for bars and stacks and large single emitter devices. It has an auxiliary connector on the back, which gives the option of being able to monitor additional thermistor inputs, so for temperature monitoring the device and plate. Has a relay contactor so that you can drive external devices, as well as some digital I/O for being able to monitor the state of external contacts or sensors. It offers a QCW mode for pulsing with pulse widths down to 100 microseconds and less, and also can be linked to our high power temperature controller so that it can coordinate the operation from one controller to the other. The high power temperature controllers are 5400. That one is capable of operating in ranges up to 600 to 800 watts of tech power. Standard units will include ranges in the 15 amp to 24 volt, upwards of 30 amps and upwards of 30 volts in various configurations. Like the 4400, it also has a auxiliary input connector. It has a secondary sensor input, auxiliary sensor inputs, and a digital I/O interface so that it too can monitor and control external instruments such as a water chiller or a solenoid valve. Both instruments are designed for very high precision laboratory use. The 4400 uses a very high grade current sense resistor for excellent long-term stability. The 5400 uses 24-bit A to D resolution for very high resolution temperature measurements, which allow it to achieve very good stability in temperature, as well as highly accurate readouts and highly precise. Another feature of both the 44 and 5400, as well as all of our instrumentation, is everything that we manufacture does have computer interfaces. 44 and 5400 have both USB and RS-232 interfaces. They have a very usable menu interface as well, so information is displayed in human readable English. There's no error codes that you have to go and look up in the user's manual. All of the settings are controlled through that menu structure and does not require the operation of a PC. However, the unit is fully controllable. All parameters and settings are available via the computer interfaces. So as a mount to pair with the 54 and 4400 is our 286 mount. This mount is capable of handling up to 100 watts of thermal load at 25 degrees C. Other mounts that will be also available in this series will be water-cooled versions of this same mount. The mount is available with a standard breadboard plate with a 8x8 grid of M3 holes. In addition, custom breadboard plates can also be manufactured to meet the exact specifications for your device. We can start with a blank plate, or we can start with the breadboard plate or any of our other plates and add holes specific to the application requirements. The breadboard plates on the 286 are all manufactured from 100% copper, so they have the highest thermal conductivity and therefore the best thermal performance. So you can expect to get very good thermal uniformity with low temperature gradients across the entire plate. This model here is shown with a 4.2-inch plate. We have versions with larger plates up to 6x6 and even larger depending upon special requirements. So for more information about any of our products, you can visit us online at www.arroyoinstruments.com. We have a full range of drivers anywhere from 10 milliamps to 100 amps, and temperature controllers from 24 watts up to 600 to 800 watts. And so you're likely to find a driver or a temperature controller that meets your application requirements.